Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to make game pass on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to roblox.com and you click once you're on the home page of the roblox.com. Now you have to click on this create tab. Now you have to click on by default Roblox experience. Now you have to click on this associated items. Now you have to go to in settings on the passes. Now you have to click on create a pass to create your pass. Now first of all you have to enter your name of the game pass like like first ever. Now you have to enter the description here, so you can leave because it is not mandatory. And also, if you want to upload image, you have to click on the change button. But if you don't, then this by default will be used as game pass image. You have to click on create pass. So now your game pass has been created. Now you have to click on it. Now you have to click on this sale button, sale and now you have to enable it for the sale and enter the cost of the game pass like 50. So the creator will get 70%, so you just need to click on save changes. Now you just need to go into please donate and add your game pass there. Fine. So that's how you can create it and that's how you can do it. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.